So guys, the other night for dinner, I made something that was so delicious and I want to share. So this isn't going to be a full recipe video. This is more like dinner inspiration. So I had some boneless, skinless chicken thighs and I seasoned them up really well. I used some onion powder, garlic powder, Lorry seasoning, black pepper, smoked paprika, and some red pepper flakes. You can use any seasoning you like, of course. And I went ahead and seasoned them up and set them aside to marinate for a while. Now I'm going to make some mashed potatoes. So I went ahead and boiled some red potatoes in some heavily salted water. Now this version of mashed potatoes is going to be dairy-free. You can use full dairy in yours, but this version is going to be dairy-free. I went ahead and took some Smart Balance. I added in some chicken broth and a little bit of coconut cream for that creaminess. I'm also going to add in some garlic salt, garlic powder, black pepper. Add whatever seasonings you like. And then I'm going to go ahead and mash these up to my liking. I don't like them super soft, but I don't like them super chunky. So do it how you like. And I went ahead and threw in a little bit of fresh basil. I had a little bit of fresh basil that I wanted to use. So these are a dairy-free basil garlic mashed potato. It was really good, fluffy. Perfect if you want to do dairy-free, so go ahead and try it out. So next I went ahead and grabbed my cast iron skillet and I heated it up nice and hot, added a little bit of olive oil, and then I'm going to cook my chicken thighs on each side for a few minutes until they're done. I like to get that nice, crusty, like that. I like that. That's what I like. I like to get my chicken nice and crusty on the outside. Now, once my chicken was done, I went ahead and set it aside to rest. I grabbed that same skillet, cleaned it out a bit, added some more olive oil, and I'm going to go ahead and quickly saute up my peppers and onions. I like to get a little char on my peppers and onions. Now, after my peppers and onions were done, I went ahead and threw some steamed broccoli in the skillet and got it nice and crispy on the outsides. And then I made a quick gravy with some chicken broth, butter, seasonings, fresh parsley, and a little bit of flour to thicken it. Oh, do you see this? It was so good. Yum.